Hello, everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Welcome to today's live section. Please, if you can hear me clearly, please drop in the comment section that you can hear me. You can hear me, drop in the comment section that you can hear me because today is going to be a great day. It's going to be a very big day. So please, if you can hear me, drop in the comment section that you can hear me. So we kick off. All right. While we're waiting for others to join, you can hear me. Just drop in the comment section that you can hear me. Okay. All right, we're still waiting for others to join. Though there's a little bit of connection problem, but if you can hear me, just drop in the comment section that you can hear me. Okay. While we're waiting for others to join. Okay, I can see Jennifer. So please, if you can hear me, drop in the comment section that you can hear me. Just drop I can hear you. All right, so we move on. Just drop in the comment section that I can hear you. So we move on. I'm still trying to send the link to others so they can also join. Because I don't want to start now, and once I start now, when others are joining, then they are going to be behind. All right, so let everybody move in the same pace. Okay, let everybody move in the same pace. You are in for something great. You are about to learn what will never be taught in your class, not even in your lecture or in your tutorial anywhere. This is the only place you can learn it, and it's only from Tutor Josh. So if you can hear me while you're just joining, I want to just say welcome. If you can hear me, drop in the comment section that you can hear me. All right, we just give them about 5 minutes. About 5 minutes. That means in the next 3 minutes we are going to begin. The next 3 minutes we are going to begin. And for those of you that have joined, I want to say welcome, because this is the final MTH 102 calculator tutorial online meeting. This is actually the final meeting. So please, if you can hear me, still drop in the comment section that you can hear me. All right. So if you can see my screen also, my screen is so clear to you. And or if you cannot see my screen, rather, my screen is not clear to you, so please just go to the top right corner of your screen and switch the video setting to 1020p or the highest definition. All right, if you cannot see my screen, go to the top right corner of the screen, that is settings, then switch the video settings to 1020p or the highest definition. All right, so if you can see my screen clearly, just write you can see my screen in the comment section. Just write you can see my screen in the comment section. Just write you can see my screen in the comment section. If you can see my screen clearly, just write you can see my screen clearly in the comment section. And by the way, in the next 2 minutes, we're going to begin. I'm just using this minute or this first 5 minutes to wait for others to join us. All right, I don't want to start and I'll start moving back because this is an online class. All right, I'm going to be showing you how you can solve mathematics without solving. So if you can see my screen clearly, type in the comment section that you can see my screen. All right. You can use the live chat to type. Okay, you can use the live chat to type. Right, you can just use the live chat to type. All right. While we wait for others, in the next 30 seconds, we begin. In the next 30 seconds, we begin. Okay. All right. So please, while you are here, I want you to do this for me. I want you to avoid distraction. Yes, please avoid distraction. I want you to get your writing materials. If you've not gotten it and you're in this live class, please go and get your writing materials. Get your book, get your pen. All right, and mostly get your calculator. All right. Okay, I think that's the light. Let me switch it to a more comfortable way so you can see me. Okay. All right. So please get your calculator and also be really rapt attention, and also stay to the end of the class so you'll be able to grab my giveaway offer. I just hope you're going to stay to the end of the class so you'll be able to grab my giveaway offer. Okay, so we move on. Now, why should you listen or follow the instruction I am about to give today? Why should you listen to me? Okay, why should you follow the instruction that I am about to give you today to solve mathematics? See, you're not the first person I've taught, and you're not going to be the last. Okay, I've taught several students, and they're doing well for themselves in their academics. So you actually need to listen to me and follow all the instruction I am going to give you in this class. Now you can see this my screen. This is one of my students. He came to me one very evening. He said, "Good evening, sir. How is everything? I've seen my MTH1, that is maths 111 result, which is actually a maths course code in the school, right?" He said, "It's an A, or it's A rather. So thank you for making me mathematician." Okay, so you can see he's actually appreciating me because it was in one of my life class like this. So that is why you actually need to what? Listen to everything I'm going to give you in today's live class. Oh, I see another of my students. He said, "Sir, I am sincerely grateful for your video, especially the math tutorial free calculator. Has helped me in my first semester on the level, and then I pray that God Almighty." You understand? So this is what I usually do for students, and I've taught a lot of students, and they are actually doing well for themselves. So he said, "Thank God Almighty that God Almighty keep you, that giving you that wisdom, rather understanding, and enlightening your brain for more bombastic remarks you are giving us in Jesus' name." So you understand. So this is what my student has been enjoying from me. So that is why you actually need to stay to the end of this class if you want to do well in your math exam or your mathematics as a whole. Okay. So let's move over to what we have. Everything in mathematics actually can be solved without solving. So I actually call today's class MTH 419 because everything we're actually doing is just like a cook. Okay, so I call it MTH what 419. That is maths 102 calculator method. You can actually use your calculator to solve mathematics. You can just view your math question and you know your answer. So topics on, we've done a lot of topics in the past. So those of you that are just joining us, you want to stay to the end of this class because I'm going to be revealing how you can get those topics. So you can see the first one was what? Limit at infinity. Okay, so we'll be treating limit at infinity. Those of you 100 level, those of you trying to enter the university, this is actually what you are going to be facing. Limit of a function, inverse of a function, discontinuity, domain and range of a function, differentiation, integration. All of these are math problems. Okay, so you want to pay attention to this class to understand how all of this can be solved even without solving. Are you looking for a way to solve your trigonometry, your equations? Any problem can be solved. So first of all, please, I want you to pay attention. Let us try to solve limits at infinity. Right, limit at what? Infinity. So we dive into what we have. Now for limit at infinity, you will be given this f of s equals to what? As plus b over cs plus d. As plus b over cs plus d. They will tell you to limit s to infinity. Now I actually gave these three laws. I actually gave it what? Three laws. And in the three laws, this is actually the first one. So before I continue, if you can get me, if you can get me in the comment section, or you can get me in this live class, drop in the comment section that you can hear me. Drop in the comment section you are following or you can hear me, because I don't want anyone to miss any of this. I don't want you to miss it at all. So please drop in the comment section that you can hear me or you are following. You can drop in the comment section that you can hear me or you are following. All right, while we wait for you. I just hope you can hear me or you are following. Drop it in the live chat or the comment section that you can hear me or you are following. Okay. That's good. That's good. So we're going to continue. Since someone can hear me, we're going to continue. Now, the first law states that if the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the denominator, the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the denominator, your answer is going to be minus infinity. I don't expect any student to start solving this question like this. Once you see that the highest power of the numerator, the highest power of s of the numerator is the upper one, right? The denominator is the lower one. So the highest power of the numerator is greater than the highest power of the denominator. Your answer to that question is what? Minus infinity. Your answer to that question is what? Minus infinity. So you don't need to start solving or start stressing yourself. Just if you are having multiple choice question, just go straight and write minus infinity. And you can see what I did at that point. The highest power of the numerator greater than the highest power of the denominator, your answer is minus infinity. So you can see, please, if you understand this first law, just write 1 in the comment section. Write 1 in the comment section. If you've gotten this first law, write 1 in the comment section. And let's move over to the second law. The second law says that if the highest power of the denominator, now denominator now is bigger than, denominator is the lower one, bigger than numerator, which is the upper one, your answer to that question is 0. Your answer to that question is what? 0. So you can see how all of this can be solved. You don't actually need to stress yourself, start disturbing yourself. All of this can actually be solved by just looking at it. So if you've gotten this one, just write 2 in the comment section. Write 2 in the comment section. If you've gotten the first law, which I gave, write 1 in the comment section. If you've gotten the second law, write 2 in the comment section. Let me know you are following and you're catching up with what I've said. That's good. That's good. Now, for the second one, or for the last one, which is the third one, if the highest power of the numerator is equals to the highest power of the denominator, that means numerator here is equals to the highest power, is equal to the power of the denominator. And let's say you are having, let's go back to the question, you are having 4 here, and you are having 4 also at the top. The power of x is 4, the power of x is what? 4. That means your answer, you can see answer is going to be the coefficient of numerator. Coefficient means what is beside s, what is beside s in the numerator, and what is beside x in the denominator. That is what coefficient means. All right. So if the highest power or the power of the numerator is equals to the power of the denominator, your answer is going to be the coefficient. The coefficient of s is a. The coefficient of x is what? C. So you can see. So that is actually how we solve mathematics without solving. So what would be your answer? The coefficient of what? Numerator over the coefficient of what? Denominator. Very, very, very easy. I just hope you've gotten it. If you've gotten this third law, write 3 in the comment section. If you've gotten this third law, write 3 in the comment section. Then I'll know you're following. Write 3 in the comment section. Okay. I need to set my network. I think is actually slow from my side, so I need to reset it. Okay. All right. If you've gotten this second law, please write 3 in the comment section. Write 3 in the comment section. Kind of having a slow network. I just hope you can hear me. Okay, I can see 3. I can see 3. Okay, that means you are following. You can hear me. All right. So let's look at some sample questions on how you can solve this. Let's look at some sample questions. Let's say we're giving this question. First one, the highest power here is what? 3. The highest power is 3, right? And the highest power here of x is what? 4. Please, what would be your answer? This law is for limit tending to infinity, right? Limit of s tend to infinity. So what would be your answer to this question? If the highest power here is 3, that means the denominator is bigger than the what? The numerator. Denominator is bigger than the numerator. That means obviously our answer is going to be what? From the second law. And the second law states that if the denominator, highest power of the denominator, is greater than the highest power of the numerator, the answer to that question is what? 0. So the answer to this number one question is what? 0. I just hope you are following what I'm saying. You don't actually need to solve something like this. You are just going to look at it and know your answer. These are laws. The laws are given down. I have all the whole I can give it to you. So please, I hope you understand this number one. I hope you understand this number one. Now, please, for this number two, the highest power of x is what? 5. And the highest power of the denominator is what? 4. That means numerator is greater than what? The denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. This law looks like the what? The first law. Yes, this law looks like the first law. Number two question looks like the first law. And what is the first law? What the first law tells us that if the highest power of the numerator is greater than the denominator, your answer to that question is what? 0. Your answer to that question is what? 0. So the answer to number two question here, sorry, not 0, rather, not 0, minus infinity. So the answer to number two question, which is here, is what? Minus infinity. You don't really need to start stressing yourself. Otherwise, you don't need to start stressing yourself to solve something like this, most especially if you are giving multiple choice question. If you're not giving multiple choice question, you can actually know how to solve it and know that you are arriving at a point which is what? Minus infinity. Alright, so number 3 question states that x to the power of 4 plus 2x to the power of 2 plus minus plus 6 rather over 2x to the power of 4 plus 3x plus 1. Now, please, the highest power here is 4 in the numerator, and the highest power here is 4 also in the denominator. So, please, what is the answer to this question? I need you to drop it in the comment section, the answer to number 3 question. Remember, if they are having the same power, it is actually the third law. I'm just giving you an example. So look at the third law and drop your answer in the comment section. Drop the answer to number 3 in the comment section. All right. The answer to number 3 in the comment section. Remember, the answer is going to be what? The coefficient of the numerator. The coefficient of the highest power of x in the numerator over the coefficient of highest power of x in the denominator, which is actually the third law. So the coefficient of this one here is what? The coefficient of this is 1. The coefficient of the numerator is 1. The coefficient of the denominator is what? 2. So your answer is definitely going to be what? 1 over 2. Your answer is going to be what? 1 over 2. Exactly, I can see 1 over 2 from Jennifer, I can see for Melinda. So please, I hope you are getting it. Please, if you're also following and you understand all I've said, you can drop it in the comment section that you understand. Drop it in the comment section that you understand, because obviously I don't want to be a waste and that you attend to Josh online mathematics class and you don't understand it. Okay? No, it's not possible. You must surely leave this live class with something. You can drop it in the comment section that you understand. I will move over to what we have next, because I'm about to show you another different thing entirely. You can drop it in the comment section that you understand. So you can see, by just looking at limit at infinity, you are getting your answer directly. Directly. Okay, so let's move over to random questions. I have some random questions that I can give you here, but I'm not going to drop it in the group, okay? Because people didn't want to come live to watch. So please, after this class, get to my DM. After this class, so I'm going to be replying after this class. So get to my DM and ask me for this random question. So we are going to be solving it together on my game, not in the group, because it is not everybody that is here. So we are going to be doing it secretly, okay? So let's move over to limit of a function. Now, when they give you limit of a function, remember in class I told you to bring your Casio FS calculator, because most of our question we're using our calculator to solve it. Just by looking at the question, we are getting our calculator. So this is the calculator. I don't know if you can see my screen. This is the calculator we actually use to solve most of these our questions. So if I give limit of a function, now mind you, this is not minus, or this is infinity. This is function like your 1, your 0, your 2, your 3, your 8. So these are functions, not infinity. How do we solve this? By just solving or without solving. First of all, if you are giving you limits to 1, what you are going to be pressing in your calculator is 0.99. You are not going to press 1 because they are telling you it is tending to 1. It has not gotten to what? To 1 yet. It is going to 1. So in your calculator, you're going to be putting 0.999999. I hope you're following. I hope you are following. If you are following, drop it in the comment section that you're following. Your limits for 2, you're not going to be pressing 2. You're going to be pressing 1.99. Just make it 5 places. So you're just going to be uniform answer. So you're pressing 1.99999. Limit tending to 3, you're going to be pressing 2.99999. Limit tending to 4, what are you going to press? Drop it in the comment section what you're going to press. Limit tending to 4. Limit tending to 4. You can drop it in the comment section what you're going to press. You can drop it in the comment section what you are going to press. Limit tending to 4. Okay. Limit tending to 4. That means you are going to be having what? 3.99999, right? You are going to be pressing what? 3.99999. Exactly. Limit tending to 5. What are you going to be pressing? Limit tending to 5. Drop it in the comment section. Limit tending to 5. Means you are going to be pressing 4.99. So these are very easy something. These are very easy something. So let's quickly look at an example. But yeah, limit tending to what? 0. You are going to be pressing 0.11111. Okay, you can also do it for infinity if you like. Limit tending to infinity is what? 99999. So it's all work like that. It's all work what? Like that. So that is just it. So let's look at the question. Now, this is the question given to us. Limit x to 0 when you have 2 open brackets minus 3 plus s close bracket square minus 18 over x. Please, I want you to learn this question because I'm going to be bringing my calculator now on the screen so you can actually see the way I am going to punch it. You can write the question down. And the first thing you have to do when you want to use your calculator, if you have this calculator, if you don't have, you can meet me on my team. I can send you the application. You can download it on your phone. Probably till you get one. Okay, but I like using this one. So you can meet me on my DM so you can get it on your after the class though. After the class, you meet me probably going to be ready for this class so you can watch it and understand the basis of pressing this. So you have to first of all clear your calculator. By clearing it, you're pressing shift. I'm sure you're also getting what I'm saying. You're pressing shift, you're pressing 9, you're pressing 3, and you're pressing equals to, and you're pressing equals to again. Alright, so let us do that with our calculator. Can you see my calculator? If you can see my calculator, please type in the comment section that you can see my calculator. Type in the comment section that you can see my calculator. If you can see my calculator, type in the comment section that you can see my calculator. So what are we pressing first? Pressing shift to clear it. Shift. This is shift button here. You're pressing 9. So your calculator, you clear set of memory all. So you want to clear all. So you're pressing 3, then equals to, then equals to again. I hope you get that. Let's do it again. You're pressing shift 9, 3 equals to, then equals to. So you can see that is the way we press our calculator to clear our calculator. All right. So now question: what is the next step to do, or the next thing to do? They say assign. Okay, sorry. They said assign the calculator, or assign the question your calculator. That means you are pressing this entirely in your calculator. You are pressing this entirely in your calculator. So by bringing your calculator out, you are going to press everything in our calculator. So first of all, you have to press the division sign, which is this. Okay, so you are pressing 2 open bracket minus 3. I'll be on the first place, but please just follow me. Plus x. How do you bring that x to your calculator? You press alpha. Take note of this step. You press this alpha x. Then you close your bracket, which is this, right? Then you press square. Then minus 18, right? Then you navigate downward and press what? X. And press what? X. Oh, sorry, I'm supposed to press alpha. Then you press X. So at this junction, you are not going to press equals to. Let's look at the next step. Now, the next step says after this, you press calc, and your calculator will show you S question mark. Let's do that. Let's do that. After that, press what? Calc, and our calculator will show us S question mark. This is calc. To show you S question mark, it's asking you, what do you want to turn S to? Where are you turning S to? And the question says you should turn S to what? 0, isn't it? 10s to what? Is it actually 0? Let's check. Let's check. Yes, it is 0. So 10s 0. What do we do? What do we do? We press 0 in our calculator. So you just come here and press 0 points what? 1 1 1 1 1. Because we are taking it to 0. If you are taking it to 1, it will what? 1.111. You understand? So this is how it's going to be. Then you are going to press equals to get your answer. Now your answer is what? Minus 11.777. So this is how you actually do it with your calculator. By the way, I'm actually slow because I'm trying to explain it to you. But when this gets to you, you'll be able to what? Punch it immediately and get your answer. I just hope you understand. If you understand, drop it in the comment section rather, that you understand. So we can do more examples. Drop it in the comment section that you understand. If you understand this first example I gave, drop it in the comment section that you understand. Okay. Drop it in the comment section that you understand while we move on. All right. Okay, you can see someone. Okay, that's good. Now, please let us do this example. I want you to do this example for me. If you are with your calculator, please, I want you to do this example for me. This number 2. I want you to do this number 2 example for me. You can actually use the step I gave to do it. Okay, you use your calculator to do it, but calculator is actually faster and it's very, very accurate. Okay, so you just need speed and accuracy in your exam. You need what? Speed and what? Accuracy in your exam. Okay. All right, let's just do it. Let's just do it together. Now you have this question. Make sure you write this question down. Okay, I move to another slide. So write this question down. It tells you 10 to what? 3. I mean, not yet at 3. So you're going to be pressing 2.99999 in your calculator, right? 2.99999 in your calculator. So how are we going to do that? So it's very, very easy. Let's bring out our calculator. This is our calculator. So let's start punching. I like clearing my calculator. I'm pressing shift 9 3 equals to AC, right? So we are bringing this. Let's be on the first lane. So you are putting alpha x raised to the power, but this is a raised to the power of 3. Then you move over to this side, minus what? 7x. Then alpha what? X. Then what? 12. Then you navigate downwards and put what? Alpha x minus what? 3. Okay, so you can see alpha s minus 3. Then at this point, what you press calc. I can see most of you already dropping your answers. Okay, you are following, you press calc, then you are going to tend to what 3, which is 2.999, right? So you are putting 2.99999, like moving it at 5 places. Okay, so at this junction, you press what equals to. So we are having -1799998. This is actually the question from my end, so that's why the answer is actually so big like this. Okay, so please, I hope you understand. I hope you understand. Just drop in the comment section that you understand, okay? Drop in the comment section that you understand. Then we go to a random question that we need to solve. All right, all right, all right. Okay, that's good, that's good, that's good, that's good. Now, please, let's move over to my slide. Now, the slide now, I have to give you some past questions from schools, from different schools, or random questions for limit of a function. But you can get to my DM. Okay, I don't want to drop it in the group chat. Get to my DM and get it from me. Get to my DM and get it. So it should be after this class, you get to my DM. So you can keep on realizing. I want to know that you actually doing something after this class. I don't want it to be after this class you're going to drop your book and drop everything. So I want to know that you're actually doing something after this class. So get my DM to get the past question. So I'm going to move to integration because we have a lot of things to do. We have, obviously we cannot learn everything today. Okay, so and this is the final class. I'm going to tell you how you can get to the next class. Okay, so moving to integration, there's a way we solve integration. We solve it with integration with limits and integration without limits. Integration with what limits and integration without limits. With limits, which is the first one I actually gave here, they will tell you to evaluate summation for exponential raised to power of 2x minus with upper and lower limits. They will give you limits. That means something is going to be at this up, something is going to be at this down. Upper limit is what 1/2, lower limit is what -1, because it said respectively. With upper limit of what half 1/2 and lower limit of what -1. Let us look for a way, or let us look for question to solve. Now, method of solving this question. First of all, you have to clear your calculator, because while you're clearing your calculator, you're telling your calculator you want to solve a new question. You want to solve a new question. So erase everything I've done in the past. So after clearing your calculator, you set your calculator to radian mode. Your calculator must be in radian because you want to change, you want to solve with radian. You solve integration with radian. Then you solve different. Okay, when we get to differentiation, I'll tell you what to do. You solve differentiation with what degree. I hope you're following. I hope you are following. If you are following, drop in the comment section that you are following. Drop in the live chat that you are following. So let us bring our calculator. Let's bring our calculator. Okay, this is our calculator. Let's clear it. Let's clear it. So we are pressing shift. This should have been used to you now. Shift 9 3 equals to AC. Can we do that again? Shift 9 3 equals to AC. Okay, now we want to change our calculator to radian mode. If you check at the top of your calculator here, it is D. It is degree mode. So you are telling your calculator, no, I want to solve integration. No, please change it to what? Radian mode for me. Oh. So you are changing it to shift mode. This is mode. Then number 4 is what for radian, which is rad, right? So you are pressing 4. So you can see at the top of your calculator now you have what? R, which is what for radian. Very good. So after that, what do we do next? Let's check our methods. We press this function under alpha to bring out the integral sign. You press the function under alpha to bring out the integral sign, then impute your question by navigating and equals to get your answer. So let's bring out our calculator rather. So this is the function under integral, under alpha. You press it. So you press the question, because the question said summation 4 raised to power from summation 4. Okay, let's write it. Summation 4 exponential. Exponential is at this side of your calculator, right? So you're pressing it by saying alpha exponential raised to power of what? 2x. So you're pressing 2 alpha x. Then you navigate to this side, navigate here. This side is the lower limit. Lower limit is -1 from the question. Minus what? 1. Upper limit is what? 1/2. So you are pressing 1 over. This is over your calculator, or divided by, then 2. Okay? So this is what you have to do. After doing this, what do? You press equals to get an answer. That is the answer to this question. Please, I hope you understand. If you're following me in the comment section, type I understand. Type I understand. All right. So this is the answer to this question. So in case you're giving integration with limits, telling you upper limits, or they narrate something like this for you in your calculator, or in your question paper also, something like this can be solved with just your calculator. So you are punching it to get your answer. Even though you want to solve it, like yes, you know it, you want to solve it, you know that you're arriving at one particular answer. I just hope you're getting the whole scenario, that you're arriving at a particular what answer. If you get this in the comment section, type in the comment section that you understand. Type in the comment section that you understand. I want to know that you're following me and we are doing something very good. All right, I can see. All right, type in the comment section that you understand, because everything we are solving here is just how to solve mathematics even without what solving. Just by looking at the question, we can get it with our calculator. We can actually understand everything under what mathematics. All right. So please, I want to move over to integration with limits. Integration with what? Limit. So let's move over to the slide. Integration with what? Limit. But our time is fast spent. I promise everyone that we are not even going to spend up to 45 minutes here. We are not going to spend up to 45 minutes here. And this is almost 40 minutes. All right. This is almost 40 minutes. Oh, the network is kind of bad. I hope everyone can get me. Can you still hear me, please? If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section that you can hear me. The network is kind of showing slow connection here. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section that you can hear me. If you can hear me, let me know in the comment section that you can hear me. Let me check my router. It's kind of bad. Okay. The network is coming up. Let me know in the comment section that you can hear me. All right, someone said you can hear me loud and clear. I just checked the router now. Okay, that's very good. So please, I want to move over to integration without limit. But our time is fast spent. But I want to ask you, and I want to believe a lot of things have happened in today's class. All right. So please, you can get to my DM to get random questions on integration with limit first of all. Okay, get to my DM after this class. Get to my DM. Just chat me that you were part of the last class. So you get to my DM. I'm going to send you some questions so you can be solving and be sending me the answer. With this, we are what? Progressing. Okay, with this, we are what? Progressing. So now, with this little that we've done, I'm very sure that everything you have been doing in your mathematics can be solved with your calculator, even just by looking at it. Imagine our limit with infinity. We are just looking at it and we are doing our answer. Because our time is spent, and please don't think I am done with you. Okay, don't think I am what done with you. Now let me ask you some question. I want to ask you some question. Please, I need everyone to answer this question. This is only going to let me know that yes, we are going to do something again. If you do not answer this question, That means I'm very sure you're not in this class. So please type in the comment section. What if I am ready to hold your hands and teach you everything concerning solving mathematics without solving throughout your stay in school? Will you let me hold your hand? That is, I'm going to show you from your 100 level to 400 level. Even though when you get to 500 level, I'm going to teach you everything concerning your calculate your question. Please, will you let me hold your hands? Will you let me hold your hands to show you everything concerning mathematics? Just type yes in the comment section. Type yes in the comment section that you want me to hold your hands and show you everything concerning some mathematics. Type yes in the comment section. I'm just going to get 5 years. If I can get 5 years, then we are done. Those ones I am going to take them to the next level and start teaching them a lot of things concerning mathematics, because our time is fast spent. Most of us are using our data to actually watch this live class. We are using our battery and the rest. So please type yes in the comment section if you want me to hold you and guide you and show you everything concerning solving mathematics without solving. Type yes in the comment section. I want to see yes in the comment section. I want to see yes in the comment section. If you want me to hold you and guide you, type yes in the comment section. Now I have another question for you. What if I am ready to show you the secrets of how I and my students have been killing every of our examination, every of our mathematics examination? Will you want me to show you the secrets? Will you want me to give you the secret? Will you want me to whisper the secret to you? Will you want me to tell you the secret? Type yes in the comment section if you want me to show you the secret, if you want me to show you everything concerning solving mathematics without solving. Type yes in the comment section. For this number 2 question, type yes in the comment section. Yes, type yes. If you want me to show you the secret, if you want me to tell you how you can actually do all of this, type yes in the comment section. Now, this is the secret I have been showing a lot of my students, and they have been doing well for themselves. They have been having A's. There's nothing like B. My students cannot be in mathematics. It's not possible. You must surely be an A student. So if you want me to show you this secret, type yes in the comment section. I want to see yes in the comment section. Now, if your answers were yes to this question set, very good. Congratulations. Let me introduce you to my online course that contains 75 plus videos that will teach you everything about solving mathematics. Now, this is my online course. I put in videos, that means 75 plus videos. This is just like a conspiracy. This is like the beginning. Okay, this is just like an example. I'm putting 75 plus videos that will teach you everything about solving mathematics. I target how to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. How to solve mathematics without solving blueprints. Now, this blueprint, I divided it into 8 parts. The first part, you're going to be learning about number systems and operation. You're going to be learning about number base. You're going to be anything concerning number in mathematics, about number base, number line, your complex numbers, anything related to numbers in mathematics that you are doing, you are going to be learning it in this part of the course. The number 2 part, if you get to the part, you'll be learning sequence, series, and equation. Everything concerning your AP and GP, your sequence, your series, which is your progression, right? Your equations, quadratic equation. You can actually look at quadratic equation today and know that yes, this is the answer to that question. So one of my friends came to me today, this morning. He sent me a question. It was on quadratic equation. I just woke up from bed. I picked up my phone and I gave him the answer. He was not actually sure because he knows that is what I'm doing. This is actually my classmate in school. Okay, so please, you are going to be learning equations, everything concerning equations in part 2 of my course. You're going to be learning in part 3 your algebraic multiplication. Anything about algebra, about partial fraction, everything concerning fraction. You are going to be learning it in part 3 of my course. You are going to be learning about trigonometry and function, your trig, your sine, your cosine, your cosec, everything concerning that. You can actually look at it and get your calculus, your differentiation, your integration. This is what you're going to be learning in my online course. Your linear algebra, talking about your matrix, talking about your vectors. You are going to be learning it in part 6. A lot of courses, so you are going to be learning this. Now, I don't think you are going to be learning all of this because number part 7, you're going to be learning probability, your combinatories. Part 8, you're going to be learning what? Statistics, your mean, median, mode, your range. There's a lot in this my course. There's a lot, and you don't want to miss it as a student. You don't want to miss it. Once this course is given to you now, everything concerning mathematics is settled. Everything concerning mathematics is settled. So please, I'm very sure you'll be excited and get a lot from my course, right? You may think I'm done, but I'm not done. That is not all you're getting. Now, when you get my course, How to Solve Mathematics Without Solving Blueprints, you also stand a chance to get some bonuses from me. I said this is my last class, but you stand the chance to what? Get access to my personal group, my personal student support group. Okay, this is a personal group, and I target Super Mathemagician. To enter this group, actually 25,000. Okay, but you're not going to be spending that much to get inside because you are actually getting through. You are getting the course through. Getting into this group through my online course. All right, so you're going to be getting access to my student support group. You're going to be getting access to me and other tutors. Okay, I'm not the only one that knows how to solve mathematics, but we have come together. So you're going to be getting access to me and other tutors. Okay, so you can see somebody came here. He just asked me, please, I've forgotten how to initialize a number. Please tell me the step. I just sent him a 20 seconds voice note, and he said, okay, I've gotten it, thanks. And you can see he chatted me by 9:42 p.m. I replied him 1 minute. So this is my students. Once you get access to me or my online course, you are going to be getting access to the blueprint or access or direct access to me, to my DM, and I'm going to be replying your question. You are going to be getting free mathematics material, and you remain my student for life. Okay, I'm going to be giving you some questions, some past questions. There's books that you can actually go and check and get to know all of this. So, okay, you're going to be getting weekly class from me. Every week we do organize tutorial every single week. So if you join or get my online course, How to Solve Mathematics Without Solving Blueprints, you are going to be joining a weekly class. This is actually our last free class. So I'm not going to be hosting any class again. So if you want to join the next week class, you just need to get access to my online course. I'm going to give you access to my 5 magic guide on how I prepare for my coming examination. My 5 magic guide on how I prepare for my coming examination. Now, this guide is actually worth 5,000. It's actually what I used to give students 5,000, but you are going to be getting it for free when you get my online course. I hope you understand a lot of things you're going to be getting from me. You're also going to be getting, or if you stand the chance to score 95 in your general mathematics exam using my guide, I'm going to be rewarding you with 10,000 naira. So this is just like a giveaway. Okay, after your examination, you show me your results. Show me your results, and I'm going to send you 10,000 naira cash. All right, that is not all. I also have an extra bonus for you. That is not all. I have an what? Extra bonus for you. I will teach you how you can teach your colleagues. You're going to teach your colleagues from what you learned from my online course and make an extra money for yourself by teaching them. So imagine me, like you're learning everything you can do in mathematics, then you're getting to teach others, and you're also making good money for yourself. So you're also building yourself and teaching others to also make some money. So this is what you should not miss. That is why you need to actually get access to my online course now. You need access to my online course. You need to get access to it now. I hope you've gotten all I've said. You need to get access to it now.
Okay. Now, with all what I have said, you will know that it's an online course with high value, and you should not joke with it. And what if in the course will never be taught else, or be taught in your class, or what is in the course rather will never be taught in class or anywhere? Even though the course is placed at a price to get, let me tell you, it is worth it. Even though the course is placed at a price for you to get it right now, it is actually worth it. Imagine you getting a lot of these bonuses. You get access to my group, you get direct access to me and other tutors, you get free mathematics materials, and you remain my student for life. You come to me, I help you with any mathematics question or difficulty you're having. Weekly mathematics class with me and other experienced tutors, direct access to my 5 magic blueprint on how I prepare for any coming examination. Once you score 95 and above in your general mathematics exam, you stand a chance to win 10,000 naira. You're also going to learn how you can teach others and make money for yourself by teaching them. So it is worth it, even though it is placed at the price to get. Now, the actual price of this course is 10,000 naira. Yes. And it's fair enough, right? Let me tell you something. Because you stay to this very end of this class, because you stay to this very end, we are about 50 or 45 minutes to the class now. So because you've stayed to the end of this class, or to this part of this class rather, I'll be giving you for just 50%. So you'll be giving, or you won't get it for that price rather. I'll be giving it to you for just 5,000 naira. This is actually 5,000 naira. Okay, wow, and it is something you want to take advantage of. It is something you want to take advantage of. So you are going to be getting a low lot of this for just 5,000 naira, not 10,000 naira tonight. All right, and after the class, I get to increase the price to 10,000 naira. I get to what? Increase the price to 10,000 naira. This is actually 5,000 naira, not 2,000 naira. All right, this is actually 5,000 naira, not 2,000 naira. So it is something you want to what? Take advantage. This is 50% off. After this class, the price immediately move on to 10,000 naira. After this class, the price immediately move on to what? 10,000 naira. So by next week, those that actually got this course is going to be joining my class from next week, and this is going to be the final class for this tutorial or this section. So the first 5 person that will transfer the account get access to how to solve mathematics without solving blueprint cross for just 5,000 naira. This is a whole lot. This is something you want to get. Do you want to be among the first selected 5 to grab my giveaway offer? Then you should transfer just 5,000 naira to this account that is showing on your screen. Just 5 persons to transfer 5,000 naira, and after that, we are going to end the class. We are going to close this class, and I'm going to focus on just those 5 persons. Okay, I'm not looking for 100. I'm not looking for multiple persons. I just want to show 5 persons this secret on how to do this. This secret on how to solve mathematics without solving, because we are going to be working with you from your 100 level, or from the level you are now till you even graduate or even after graduation. So for the first 5 persons to transfer 5,000 naira to the account showing on your screen, stand a chance to get my bonus. Stand a chance to get the blueprint, how to solve mathematics without solving, and also my bonuses. 5 persons. Please, once you've done your transfer, you can actually comment paid in the comment section. Comment what's paid in the comment section. I'm going to confirm it. Then send payment receipt, send the screenshot to my DM, and we are going to get started immediately. We are going to get started immediately. Send the payment receipt to my DM, comment paid in the comment section. All right, I'm going to start counting. I'm going to start counting. Once I get the alert, I'm going to start counting. But please also comment pay. Just five. Just five. Just five. Just 5 persons. Imagine you standing a chance to learn all of these mathematics skills. Standing a chance to learn all of these skills. You learn your number based system and operation, your sequence and series, your equation. You learn your algebraic math. A lot of things you're going to be learning. So you also get access to my student support group, Direct access to me and other tutors, free mathematics materials for you, and you remain my student for life. Weekly classes from other experienced tutors, access to 5 magic guide on how I prepare for my examination. You also stand to be my student for life because you are going to be if you're going to be scoring 95 in your general mathematics examination, send me your your result proof or the proof of your result, and I'm going to credit you 10,000 for a course you get for 5,000 naira. So it's just like you're benefiting more in advance. Okay, let me tell you what 5,000 can do for you. 5,000 can probably just get you data or get you I don't know, it can get you whatever you want. But once you use your 5,000 naira to invest for just a one-time payment, everything in mathematics, it is solved for you, it is done for you. So this is the account you are to send your 5,000 naira to this account showing on your screen. Comment paid in the comment section, send me payment proof, and I start counting, and we end this class. And after this class, please and please, after this class, it moves over towards to 10,000 naira. You won't get it for 5,000 naira after this class. You won't get it for 5,000 naira after the class. Once this class just end, once I just press this end button, you won't get it for what? 5,000 naira. So you can actually do it in the next 4 minutes, which will actually take us to 1 hour. I am going to end this class, and that's going to be the end. All right. And for those that make your payments, please send a screenshot to me on my phone now or to my WhatsApp. I'm going to be confirming your payment. I'm going to be confirming your payment. And after this class, I'm going to give you direct access to the blueprint. After this class, I'm going to be giving you what? Direct access to the blueprint. All right. You can comment paid if you've done your own. If you've done your own, you can comment paid in the comment section. And if you're having network issues, yes, if you're someone just chatted me, if you're having network issues, please let me know in my WhatsApp or my DM. Let me know you're having issues with the payment. Probably there's network or there's delay in transaction. Let me know. With that, I can just book you for those who will get it later. But please, if you are watching the replay, get to my DM also and get the blueprint. If you are watching the replay of this, get to my DM also and get the blueprint. All right. So in the next 2 minutes, we are going to be ending this. Please, it is just for 5 person. After the fifth person has made the transaction, please, that is just all. I'm not going to work with everybody. We are over 200 plus, right? I get. So I'm not going to work with everybody. I can't work with everybody. I just want 5 serious persons that are ready to take their academics to the next level. They are ready to what? Do well and have their own mathematics success story. So if you've done your own transfer, comment paid in the comment section, send the payment of receipt to my WhatsApp also, and you get access to the blueprint. Send the payment receipt to my WhatsApp and you get access to the blueprint. All right. We're good. So with that, we've come to the end of today's class, which is actually our final class. So for those of you that still want to take advantage, please, this is the account number on your screen. You can make your payments. If you want to join my next class, you want to get my online course that will teach you everything on mathematics and get all of these bonuses from me, this is the receipt showing on your screen. you can make your payment and send it immediately to my WhatsApp DM. And after this class, it is going to go or skyrocket to 10,000 naira. So you're just going to get it for 5,000 naira this night. You're just going to get it for what? 5,000 naira this night. If you've done your own payment, you can comment, pay in the comment section, send me payment receipt, and I am going to give you access to my course. All right. If you have any question you want to ask, you can also come to my DM and ask the question. Okay. So thank you for staying to the end of today's class. All right. All right. Thank you for staying to the end. I'm going to see those that have sent your payment. Please, I'm going to reply you shortly. I'm going to reply you shortly and give you access to my course. So those that you still want to send, this is the account number on your screen: 017-603-6699. You can write it down: GT Bank Joshua or Molame Francis. So you can actually send it to this account, send your payment of receipt, comment paid in the comment section, and I'm going to see you in next week class while we learn something new. All right. Thank you for staying to the end, and bye. Okay. All right. That is the end.